what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, so what we have here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in graphite with 128 gigabytes of storage. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Wow! So I thought sobrang laki ni iPhone 12 Pro Max, pero checking now, parang hindi naman siya ganun na nakakalula. So coming from an iPhone 8 to 12 Pro Max, oo, malaki yung difference, pero hindi naman siya sobrang laki na kagaya ng sinasabi ng ibang nasa YouTube na sobrang laki niya and sobrang bulky niya. Well, for me, ganun. Okay, so here's the iPhone 12 Pro Max in graphite. So let's put this on the side first, and let's check what else can we see on the box, because as you can notice, sobrang nipis niya compared to the previous iPhone boxes. So ang laman niya lang is yung warranties and the stickers and yung charging cable. So this is the first time na wala nang sinamang charging brick si Apple because of environmental concerns. And alam naman natin sa mga balita, nag-trending siya na parang hindi naman talaga siya for environmental but for cost cutting. But anyway, so since wala na talaga siya, we need to buy a separate charging brick. So may binebenta si Apple na 20 watt hour na charging brick, and I think medyo mahal siya. May mga cheaper versions naman, alternative na pwedeng kunin. So ililink ko na lang din sila sa baba. Okay, so yun na, wala na. Kaya mas manipis yung box kasi wala nang charging brick and wala nang headphones or earpods. Ang features na meron kay iPhone 12 Pro Max, so let's start with the body first. So this is the biggest iPhone 12 in the lineup kasi merong iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So ito yung pinakamalaki, which means, in summary, siya yung the biggest in everything. So sabi rin ni MKBHD yun. So it has a bigger footprint, mas malaki yung body niya. It has a bigger screen size, which is 6.7 inches. It has bigger cameras, and Apple claimed that it has 47% larger sensor than the other iPhone models. It has bigger battery, which is 3,687 milliamperes, which is the biggest. And then lastly, it has bigger speakers. So based from other YouTubers and reviews, it has a better sound than the other iPhone 12 lineup kasi nga mas malaki yung speaker niya. So ang daming benefit ng pinakamalaki. All of the camera systems of the iPhone 12 Pro are 12 megapixels. So there's the telephoto lens, the wide or the main camera, and the ultra wide. So si telephoto lens, it has 2.2 aperture with up to 2.5 times zoom. And then si main camera or si wide camera, it has the 1.6 aperture. Mas malaki yung sensor niya, mas mababa yung aperture. It means mas may bokeh effect. And also, it means mas kaya niya or mas capable si iPhone 12 Pro Max in low light. Naglagay sila ng bagong technology, which is the sensor shift technology. So para saan ba siya? Si sensor shift technology, hine-help niya yung iPhone para maging stable if nagvi-video kayo. So para siyang in-body image stabilization pagka compare mo sa mga mirrorless camera. And then for the last camera, which is the ultra wide, it has 120 degree angle of view, and then it has 2.4 aperture. For the Pro models like the iPhone 12 Pro and this one, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it has a Lidar Sensor. So nakita naman natin yung benefit ni Lidar Sensor from the iPad Pros, wherein nakakatulong siya in terms of augmented reality. But on this case, kay iPhone 12 Pro, si Lidar Sensor tumutulong din siya for low light. So mas capable na, apart dun sa bigger sensor, may Lidar pa na tumutulong for low light. So expect na natin na ang iPhone 12 Pro Max is maganda talaga ang low light capability niya. And then moving in internally, it has the latest chip, which is the A14 Bionic, and based from the reviews from other YouTubers, sobrang ganda ng mga results from benchmarks. And then on the iPhone 12 lineup, they introduced the Magsafe technology. Actually, si Magsafe, matagal na siya kay Apple. Basically, yung mga lumang laptops. And they introduced it again here in the iPhone 12 lineup. So, meron nun si 12 mini, 12 Pro, and then the 12 Pro Max. So, si Magsafe, you can charge your iPhone through Magsafe. And then there are other accessories for Magsafe like the Apple cases and the Apple wallet. On the front pala, the iPhone 12 lineup is using the ceramic shield yung glass nila. So, mas pinatibay na daw yung glass nila. So, mas less yung breaking ng glass pag nalaglag or na-drop yung phone. But based from other reviewers, si ceramic shield mas less mabasag or mas matagal mabasag. But it's prone to scratches. So, mas prone siya sa scratches. So, if you buy an iPhone 12, any iPhone 12 variant, make sure to buy a tempered glass or the screen protector right away. And then that iPhone 12 series has the 5G technology. So, if you don't know, 5G in the Philippines, hindi pa siya ganun ka spread out, kagaya ng nasa US. Actually, kahit sa US, hindi rin ganun ka spread out eh. So, lalo na here in the Philippines dahil select location lang or sobrang onti pa lang ng 5G site sa atin. Kaya, if bibili nyo to para sa 5G, wag na lang muna. But, it's a good addition kasi future-proof na siya. Kasi in the long run, syempre, magiging 5G na rin tong country natin. Well, sana naman. At least naka 5G ready na yung phone mo. And then, recently released lang na lumabas with the latest version of the iOS, which is the ProRaw, which is available only on the Pro models of the iPhone 12. So, si ProRaw, if familiar kayo with cameras, camera like SLR, DSLR, mirrorless, it can shoot RAW, which is kumakain siya ng space kasi mas marami siyang detail na kinukuha. And then, the after product ng photo, mas meron kang legroom for editing your photos like the color, the saturation, temperature. So, dahil may Pro RAW with the Pro models, parang mas capable siya for photography talaga. So, the iPhone 12 Pro Max weighs 226 grams, 6.7 inches, with a resolution of 2778 by 1284, with 455 pixel per inch. And then, it's still IP68 water resistant. Ang pinakagusto kong feature talaga kay iPhone 12 Pro Max is the 4K 60 FPS and yung low light capability niya. So, dahil isa lang yung camera ko, I think this is capable for mga product shots, B-roll shots. Sana makatulong siya for me. So, meron na tayong B camera. Okay, so that's it. This is just a short unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I will be doing a 1-week review of this, and comment down below if you have any questions about the iPhone 12 Pro Max or any other iPhone 12 variants. Comment nyo na rin if may gusto kayong isama sa review ko within a week. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So, hanggang dito na lang muna ulit guys. Talk to you soon.